students, this is Teacher Liz from Chalor School, and once again, welcome back to our online class. Today's topic is about comparative adjectives. This is a continuation of our lesson last week, which is about adjectives. Before we start, let us first have a review. What do you mean by adjectives? So adjectives are words used to describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, flower. So this is a noun, flower. And the flower is pink. It's a pink flower. It's a pink flower. Pink is an adjective used to describe flower. What else? It's a pretty flower. So pretty is an adjective that is used to describe flower, which is a noun. Another example. Look at the picture. It's a blank tree. So what adjective do you think can describe this tree? The answer is tall. It's a tall tree. Tall is an adjective used to describe this tree, which is a noun. Another example. It's a blank ice cream. So what word or adjective can you use to describe this ice cream? Big. It's a big ice cream. Great. Next, how about this one? He is short. He is short. Short. This adjective describes the pronoun he. Next, he is tall. He is tall. Tall is an adjective that is used to describe the pronoun he. Okay, so next let's move on to comparative adjectives. What do you mean by comparative adjectives? We use comparative adjectives to compare. What do you mean by compare? Two people. Remember, two. Two people. Sorry. Two people, places, animals, or things. Again, we use comparative adjectives to compare two people, places, animals, or things. For example, in here we have a butterfly and an ant. Okay, so small. The butterfly is small. Everybody, let us read. The butterfly is small. Next, smaller. The ant is smaller than the butterfly. So in here, smaller is a comparative adjective. Comparative adjective. It is used to compare two persons, animals, things, or ideas. In here we have 1, 2. 1, 2. In here we compared butterfly and ant, two animals or insects. Another example. We have elephant and giraffe. The adjective is big. Everybody say, the elephant is big. And we have bigger, bigger. The giraffe is bigger than the elephant. So the giraffe is bigger than the elephant. And bigger is a comparative adjective that is used to compare giraffe and elephant. I hope you understand the uses of comparative adjectives. Now let's have rules in forming comparative adjectives. Number 1, for short adjectives, add ER. Short adjectives add ER. For example, old. Old. The man is old. This is an adjective. It's short. Older. Older. For this one, we just add ER. ER to form the comparative adjective. Plus ER. Old, older. Next, slow. Slow. So what is the comparative form of slow? Slower plus ER. So the turtle is slow, but the snail is slower. Slower than the turtle. Slower plus ER. Next, long. Her hair is long. Longer plus ER. Longer. Her hair is longer than her hair. Number 2, for short adjectives that end in E, add R. For example, wise. So this is an adjective, W-I-S-E, and the last letter is E. So for this one, we just add R. Okay, R. Not ER, just R. Wise, wiser. Next, nice, letter E. Nicer, plus R. Easy, right? Next. Okay, so before we discuss the next rule, let us first learn about CVC words. What do you mean by CVC words? CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. What do you mean by consonant? This one. So these are the consonants in the English alphabet. We have letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z or Z. These are the consonants in the English alphabet. So first one is consonant, consonant. Next we have vowel, vowel. So we have five letters, vowels in the English alphabet. We have letter A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in the English alphabet. So consonant, vowel, consonant. That's what you mean by CVC words. Okay, for example, B, B. So B, I, G, big, big. This is a CVC word because B is a consonant. Payanchana, consonant. I is a vowel. Sala, vowel. And G is a consonant. Big, B-I-G. So big is a CVC word. Another example, F-A-T, fat. Fat is a CVC word because F is a consonant, A is a vowel, and T is a consonant. Fat is a CVC word. Another example, S-A-D, sad. Sad is a CVC word. S is a consonant, A is a vowel, and D is a consonant. So I hope you understood what a CVC word means. So number 3, for CVC words, double. When you say double, it means make it 2. Double the final consonant. Double the final consonant and add ER. For example, hot. Hot is a CVC word. H, consonant, vowel, consonant. So for this one, hotter. We need to double. So H-O-T-T. Double T plus ER. Double the final consonant. Hot, hotter. Next, for short adjectives ending in Y, change Y to I and add ER. For example, lazy. The comparative form is lazier. Lazy, lazier. So this adjective, it ends with Y. So we need to change Y to I plus ER. Again, change Y to I plus ER. So lazy becomes lazier for the comparative form. Another example, pretty. So this adjective, it ends with Y. The comparative form is prettier. Pretty, prettier. Okay, for this one, we change Y to I plus ER. Next, for long adjectives, long. For long adjectives, add more before the adjective. For example, okay, so we have a bag in here, 2 bags. The first one, it cost 500 baht. This one is 2,000 baht. Okay, so this one is expensive. So this is an adjective and it's long. Expensive. 3 syllables. Expensive. This is a long adjective. So to make the comparative form, we add more before the adjective. We say more expensive. This is expensive, but this is more expensive. Okay, next. This is the last one actually. Some adjectives do not follow any rule. They are called irregular adjectives. So they don't follow any rule in changing from the adjective to comparative form, they don't follow any rule, so they are called irregular adjectives. Example: good, better, bad, worse, far. We have two, farther and further, many, more. So these adjectives are irregular adjectives. So now let's test if you really understood the lesson. Let's answer. Okay, so in here we have John and Ben. Okay, John is blank than Ben. The adjective is tall. Okay, so John is blank than Ben. Who is taller, John or Ben? Okay, question: who is taller, John or Ben? The answer is John is taller than Ben. Okay, tall we add ER. It's a short adjective. Next, in here we have red ball and blue ball. The blue ball is blank than the red ball. The adjective is big. Big. Okay. Question: which ball is bigger, the red ball or the blue ball? The answer is the blue ball is bigger than the red ball. So the comparative form is B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Double the final consonant because big is a CVC word. Next we have a unicorn and a monkey. So the unicorn is blank than the monkey. The adjective is cute. Cute. So how do you form the comparative form of this adjective? Which is cuter, the unicorn or the monkey? The answer is the unicorn is cuter than the monkey. For this one, cute, we add R because the last letter is E plus R. Next, we have dog and cat. The cat is blank than the dog. The adjective is happy. Happy. So how do you form the comparative form of happy? Which is happier, the cat or the dog? The cat is happier than the dog. So happy we change Y to I plus ER. Okay, so that's all for our today's lesson, everyone. It's a bit long, but I hope you understand something, learned something from me today. Take care always. See you again next time. Goodbye.